Here's where you can go to show the details of new notifications that appear on your Galaxy Watch 7 or the Watch 7 Ultra. Starting from the clock face view, simply swipe down from the top and look for the settings icon, this one right here. When you tap on it, that'll take you to the main settings of your Galaxy Watch 7 or the 7 Ultra. From here, go down until you see notifications. Once in the notifications section, you'll now need to go down until you see the advanced settings, this one right here. As you enter here, go ahead and go down until you see show with details. So basically, if you get a new notification and it appears on your watch, it's going to show the full details of your new notifications. If you want to keep it a bit on the more private side here, you don't want all of your business on your watch showing, go ahead and turn it off. But if you want that, turn it on. Like and sub. Thanks for watching. Check out my other Galaxy Watch 7 tutorials, by the way, to get to know more about your Galaxy Watch 7.